Hey there, science fans! Today we're diving into the incredible world of micro and nano robots. Imagine robots so tiny they could navigate your bloodstream or even slip inside individual cells. That's the promise of these microscopic marvels. Micro and nano robots are exactly what they sound like. Really small robots. We're talking smaller than the width of a human hair, folks. Micro robots typically measure in micrometers, 1/1,000,000th of a meter, while their even tinier cousins, nanorobots, operate on the nano scale, 1/1000,000th of a meter. To put that in perspective, a single strand of your hair is about 80,000 nanometers wide. Now you might be wondering, how do you even build something that small? Well, hold on to your lab coats because things are about to get really interesting. We're talking about manipulating materials at the atomic and molecular level. Creating these microscopic machines requires some seriously cutting-edge technology and a whole lot of ingenuity. Scientists are using special materials like nanomaterials, which have unique properties at such a small scale. Think of materials like graphene, which is incredibly strong and lightweight, or carbon nanotubes, which are like tiny cylinders of carbon atoms. These materials form the building blocks for our tiny robot friends. To actually assemble these nanoscale components, scientists use advanced techniques like microelectromechanical systems, or MEMS. Imagine tiny gears, sensors, and actuators all crafted with incredible precision. It's like a microscopic machine shop. 3D printing is also emerging as a powerful tool, allowing researchers to print intricate structures with incredible detail. But building these robots is only half the battle. Once we've constructed these miniature marvels, we need to figure out how to control them. And trust me, that's no easy feat. One of the most exciting applications for micro and nanorobots is in the field of medicine. Imagine a future where tiny robots could deliver drugs directly to diseased cells, perform minimally invasive surgeries, or even clear clogged arteries. Well, that future might be closer than you think. These microscopic surgeons could revolutionize healthcare. Targeted drug delivery using nanorobots has the potential to revolutionize cancer treatment. Imagine these tiny robots loaded with chemotherapy drugs, navigating directly to cancerous cells. This would allow for more targeted treatment, minimizing damage to healthy tissues and reducing side effects. And it's not just about fighting disease. Micro-robots are also being explored for their potential in diagnostics. Imagine swallowing a tiny robot that could travel through your digestive system, collecting information about your health along the way. Now that's what I call a checkup. While the potential of micro and nanorobots is enormous, there are still significant challenges to overcome. One of the biggest hurdles is figuring out how to power these tiny machines. After all, you can't exactly plug them into a wall outlet. Researchers are exploring various options, including chemical reactions, external magnetic fields, and even tiny onboard batteries. Communicating with and controlling these mini machines is another major challenge. Imagine trying to steer a robot that's 1,000 times smaller than the width of a human hair. Scientists are developing innovative solutions, such as using light or sound waves to guide their movements. Despite the challenges, the future of micro and nano robotics is incredibly exciting. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible at the nanoscale, we can expect to see even more groundbreaking applications for these tiny robots. From cleaning up the environment to revolutionizing manufacturing, the possibilities are practically limitless. And as always, keep on exploring the world around you. You never know what amazing discoveries await. Please like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world of micro and nanorobots.